So guys, welcome back to the channel, touching down from a very quiet Santitham in Chiang Mai city, northern Thailand. And the first stop today, look how quiet it is one of my favourite restaurants, Kinphak Vegetarian. We've shown it a million times and yeah, not been here for about 2 months, and I've stopped off for one of the best Massaman curries in all of Chiang Mai. Here we go. This is the famous Kinphak Massaman curry. So yeah, lovely, 65 baht. Ah, lovely jubbly. Completed it, mate. Ah, lovely. Kinphak. It's always a pleasure coming down here. Right guys, so we are out and I've got my bag with me because I've got my passport. I've got all my identification today because it's been a crazy 24 hours. And this vlog is going to be all about things that can go wrong in Thailand and why you need money, why you need backup money. Santitham, right, is the best place if you need a new phone. And that's exactly what I've done today. I've just come from the phone shop. I went to one like this, but down there. So I just bought the iPhone 16e, the cheaper version. I've got a little iPhone 13 mini. I've had it for ages. I love that little mini. I had the battery changed not too long ago. I woke up yesterday, went to have a look at all my messages like I do, and the screen was all multicolored. You could tell there was something wrong with the screen. And I thought, oh nah man, more money. I'm gonna have to lay out more money. Upstairs in Big C, they got all the phone shops. I went up there. I said, can you just see if like the ribbon has come off inside? You know, I'm a tight git, man. I will say try anything before a new screen. The screen was knackered. So we put the new screen on. It looked wicked. I thought, yes, I've escaped buying a new phone. Hello. Swaddy Cup. Tester. Yeah, they're nice. Look, okay. Yeah, these are really nice. Okay, so they on promotion now.
Buy one, get one free bag.
Buy one, get one free bag.
Yes.
Ah, you get a free bag, look. Oh yeah, you get a Rexona bag. Good quality too. Looks good for the gym or something. So you get 2 and a free bag. Was it 129 for 2 and a free bag? Nah, mate, I get mine from 20 baht shop, mate. 20 baht roll-on. I forgot what I was on about now. Where was I on the phone, man? I forgot where I was. Ah, yeah, needed a new screen. The battery was going down. I went home, I scoured the internet. It said iPhones, their batteries are, everything's, you have to get it perfect. If you use a third-party screen or anything, it wrecks the battery, it wrecks the phone. And yeah, that's what it was. He'd put in an LCD display when I needed an OLED display. The LCD display is a battery hog, and the cheap screens they sell in these cheap shops, that's what happened. They put in a cheap screen for me. You're never gonna get your money back. You're never gonna get them to put a new screen in again for free or nothing. I've seen the 16e. It's like the cheaper version of the new, well, it's not new now, the 17's out, but it's the cheaper version of last year's model. It's only got one camera, but it's really good for what I need, you know. One decent camera, an amazing battery life and power. That's all I need when I'm traveling. And I've done a deal for, yeah, 200 odd quid for a brand new 100% still left on the battery. It's only had 7 cycles on the battery, so that was it. Hello, how are you?
It's food, the best market in Chiang Mai. The best one in town.
Yeah, tanning, yeah, one of the best for sure. Yeah. Can't beat it. Looks like you're happy with the grub. Yeah. Cool, man. Nice to meet you. I thought it was a subscriber when he stopped. He heard my voice, but I don't think he was. I think he just heard me and wanted to chat about how great tanning market is. He ain't wrong, man. It's yeah, great market. The unexpected cost of living in Thailand. Something always happens here, and that is the 4th phone since I've been here, I think. I came here with a Samsung S7, it died. I bought another Samsung on Lazada, it died. I bought an iPhone 11 2 years ago. It's still going strong. This is my backup phone. It was just too massive and heavy, so I bought the iPhone mini last year, and the mini lasted 1 year with the screen. This is where I bought my MacBook Air. See what they got. See, they got the 14, all the brand new iPhones. I'm looking for a case, man. One case, and this time I'm putting a case on the bugger, mate. My last iPhone, I just, you know, I think I've done it myself by not having a case on it. So there should be a really good phone case shop up here. I can't ever recall seeing it, but we're gonna have a little walk around Santitham. Yeah, we showed this place. Look, this place was dirt cheap, like 2,003. I think it was 3,500. Was it? Santitham Road, baby. Never seen it so quiet. This is the phone case shop. Never been in here. Never really needed a phone case. They got loads, innit they? Swaddy Cap, Sabadi Mai. They ain't got very many 16E ones. Let's go. Like, it's all them big, thick, heavy ones. I prefer like the little ones you clip on. Not much protection, but not too heavy. Gives it a bit more protection. So yeah, I'm gonna go down Airport Plaza. Yeah, one of the quietest times I've seen it. So quiet, man. For Chiang Mai, you get all your computers here as well, and your cameras. Oh, Nikon's, look. Nikon. Let's bounce, because I am sweating like a moose. Moose don't even sweat, Wayne. Somebody said that before. Yeah, this one's really good as well. You can get all your MacBooks in here. I'm scared to look in case I see one cheaper than what I've just bought. iPhone 16 Pro, 26,000. Could have got the actual full-blown 16, man, for another 125 quid. Probably could have got the full-blown iPhone 16 with the better cameras and everything for another 100 quid. Like I said, yeah, where'd you stop, man? All the cheap phones and that now are really good, isn't they? Last night I was up all night thinking, shall I go back to Android? Shall I just get an £150? You know, so many good Chinese ones now you can get. And I thought, nah, I'm gonna stick to my iPhone, you know, because I've got the MacBook and everything. I'm in the ecosystem. What I thought is I'm gonna buy brand new from the iStudio in Airport Plaza. That was the plan. I thought this time I'm gonna make sure I get a brand new phone. Till I seen this guy, he had virtually brand new. It's got 7 cycles on it, and he gave me a warranty. So fingers crossed. Fingers crossed I haven't been done. Santitham roundabout. Famous, man. Boxed meals here, look. Sometimes I get these at the market too. Very quiet. 20 baht mixu. Looks appealing right now. Yeah, come on. Let's do it. Yeah, we get one of these. Every city we go in, we get a 20 baht lemonade. You can't beat a 20 baht mixu lemonade. Oh, happy days. Had me mixu cooled right down. Ah, lovely. So we went in this place before. That's gone. That's next door. This is the hostel that we went to before. Habitat. Remember, we done a review when it was over the road. I'm not sure if it's the same owners or what. We're not going to disturb them now anyway. But that was the 2 ladies. We done. Yeah, that don't. Remember, 2 ladies had the business Habitat down here, hostel. We done it about 2 years ago. I think they've moved up to here now. Yeah, very subdued. for Santitham, man. Marijuana Mo, we've showed that place before too. Proper restaurant, look. Indoor greenhouse. Starting from 20 baht. Jeez, proper shop, innit? Get out for a greenery shop. Proper, mate. We're not going in there. God, it smells lovely. One thing I do miss is the smell of it before you smoke it. Just the smell of the plant, you know, the smell of the bud. I don't know what this vlog was about, really. It was just about getting the new phone and chatting about it and just danger sort of money. Not danger money, having backup. Things always go wrong, man. It's no good being here just having like a set amount every month and you're relying on that big time. Because things do go wrong, and that's what's happened to me. Before I came here, right, I used to think, right, I'll have 800 or 900. I don't need no more, that covers everything. But it don't, man. Your shoes, your motorbike, your phone, your computer, it all goes wrong, wear and tear. You'll have an accident, there's always something, man. Make sure nothing's coming out. This is so relaxed for Santitham though. Normally you've got to have eyes in the back of your head. Another phone shop. Right guys, so what I'm doing now, I'm going home and chilling out. I'm going to set up my new phone. It's nice to get some new stuff now and then anyway, right? And things you need. So I'm going to stop waffling and I'm getting out of here because it is absolutely Bobby roasting. I'm going back home to chill out for the rest of the day and basically just do nothing, catch up on a few vlogs. Hope you're all safe and sound as always. You always need backup money, mate, especially in Chiang Mai if you're living here. I don't think I would be coming here now just on, you know, scraping by every month. I'm so happy that I have got some money, you know, tucked away, not a lot, but enough for little emergencies when you need, like things like this. I'm gonna stop waffling. Hope you're all safe and sound as always. What are you doing? Keep blocking the whole thing there. Yeah, so take it easy, man. Take it easy.